Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites quickly. Make sure Bluetooth is on, wired jacks are seated, and the speaker is powered. Open settings, then sound or pull down quick settings to the audio tile so you can act immediately. Once there, increase media volume and tap the output selector to choose the device. This first step forces Android to refresh its active route, which often fixes misrouted sound. It also reveals whether the problem is hardware, or now you'll address app level and routing issues. First, force stop the app and relaunch it so Android reassigns audio sessions. If that fails, clear the app cache or regrant audio permissions, because a blocked permission can mute output. Next, toggle Bluetooth off and on to reset profiles, and then repair the device if the problem persists. Make sure to test media after each action so you isolate which change resolved the issue and understand why it worked. Finish with advanced actions. Restart the phone to clear transient bugs, then boot to safe mode to check for third-party app conflicts. If audio works in safe mode, uninstall recent apps. Check system update for firmware or driver fixes. Alternatively, roll back a misbehaving app update. As a final resort, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If audio still fails, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different USB cable or adapter. Faulty cables often cause silent digital audio output failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.